Hi, Rueben from Business Success Educators here. And do you ever struggle to have the money you need to pay the tax bills when they're due? Or do you love to have some extra money so you can actually reinvest in your business to help it to grow? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 bank accounts which, if you put in place in your business and of course manage them wisely, will help you have the money that you need when you need it so you can build and grow your business. So what are they? Well, the first one is an operating account, and most business will already have an operating account. It's where you pay your day-to-day expenses. You pay your wages, you pay your overheads, you pay your rent, your utilities, whatever it might be. It's the operations of the business. Your income's being paid into it, your expenses are being paid out. And the second one you'll need is a tax account. This is where you have a separate bank account where you put away money for all your liabilities. Your pay as you go, your GST, your superannuation, your company tax, whatever taxes are payable, and they could be quarterly or annually or even monthly, but you put that money aside. See, if you leave that money in your operating account, well, guess what? You're going to start spending it. And when you spend it, you won't have it when it's needed. And then you end up getting behind with your taxes. And that becomes a very, very slippery slope. But by putting it aside in the tax account, you'll have it when you need it. And the third account is your profit account. This is where you put aside money every single month or every single week into profit. That way you're actually forcing your business to pay you profit. That way you're making a conscious decision about what you're doing with the profits of the business. Are you going to buy more assets? Are you going to pay down some debt? Are you going to reinvest in its growth? But by having the money aside, you can make a conscious decision rather than just like the tax account. If we leave it behind in our operating account, we'll spend it, it'll disappear, it'll just won't be put to good use. So there they are. They're the 3 bank accounts to have. So just to recap, an operating account, a tax account, and a profit account. Make sure you set all 3 of these up in your business and manage them wisely, and then you'll have money to do what you want to do in your business. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'll catch you in another video soon. Bye for now.